Page 23, Sleep Baby Sleep. This just a continuation, giving you more practice on playing with what you've learned so far. So let's just cover all these things to make sure you're not overlooking anything, because as I said before, all these symbols are important. Everything means something or it wouldn't be there. So at the beginning, you have the treble and bass clefs. Those are all, you got to have a clef there to tell you where the notes are. You have 4/4 time, 4 beats in a measure, quarter note gets a count. Or 4 counts in a measure, quarter note gets a count. Or 4 beats in a measure, quarter note gets a beat. Or say it any way you want. The point is, the top number is how far you're counting, and the bottom number is what you're counting, and that's what it is. In between the staves, there's a P, and that stands for piano, or soft. And that refers to the melody as soft. In this case, the melody is all in the right hand, so your left hand has to be very soft. And you decide what these are. Just make sure when you play it, the right hand is louder than the left hand. If I play them both the same, it gets this. Play the right hand louder than the left. Because we want to hear the melody. Now if I play it according to the dynamic, which is soft, I'm going to play the right hand soft and the left hand super soft, or something like that. It's like that. It's supposed to be a lullaby to put a baby to sleep, and you're not going to put a baby to sleep banging around on the notes, so watch it. There are words. You can sing it if you would like to, of course. It's up to you. And I will point out one little thing that they're not telling you, but maybe you figured it out yourself, I don't know. And that is, they're not giving you any phrasing, but there is phrasing there, yeah, sort of. Because when they give you words in the piece, you can follow the sentences in the words and phrase the music accordingly. Remember I said music is in, the phrase in a music is like a musical sentence. So here we have sleep baby sleep, and it's a phrase, so that's one phrase right there. And then it starts a new phrase with it's time to go to sleep, and that's a phrase. So we want a little silence between the sleep and it, so it's 1. And then a new phrase starting with guardian. And then for the last 2 measures is another phrase. So you take a pencil and you simply draw in the phrases above the top line. The left hand doesn't get any phrases, it's just accompaniment. So you do, and you can do that on all these pieces with words in them. I just haven't mentioned it before. It just makes it more musical. Let's try this out. 4/4 time. You are in, well, I'll tell you, you're in C position, but you can figure that out by looking at the finger numbers in there and where they are. Just remember that you're playing those notes, and regardless of what finger number they're telling you, use the finger that's on that key, whatever it is. Now we'll play this together slowly, slowly. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.